Welcome to 4426 Pembrook Village Drive, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, townhome-style condo in Alexandria. Come on in, let me show you around. This home has brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, neutral paint on the walls, an open floor plan, and tons of natural light. This fully renovated kitchen has modern cabinetry, butcher block countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The flexible loft space serves as a perfect home office or use it as an upstairs den. Both bedrooms are spacious and each has a full ensuite bathroom. Right off the kitchen is a large back deck with stairs that lead to your fully fenced-in backyard. Perfect for your pets. I'm Greer Updegraft with Pearson Smith Realty. Call me today to schedule your tour.